Alright, here we go. Homemade firework stash. Just finished making it. I'll go through every one and tell you what they do and what it is. Alright. This is M80. Waterproof. Long fuse. I don't know. Should work pretty nicely. Another M80. I don't know what this will do. Has slightly different powder in it. I don't know. Crackling salute. See, I want it to blow out the top and crackle. I think that's what it should do. Little firecracker, top fuse. Don't know what it'll do. Mini fountain. Might just blow up. I don't know. Side fuse, small firecracker. Don't know, but it'll be nice. Save the biggest and best for last. This is huge, alright? Sure about this. Just for size comparison. This is my finger, my pointer finger. Yeah. And for thickness comparison. Yeah.